soil brothers and soil sisters. Y'all, I need something simple called distilled water. And I don't feel like going to the store. So what did I do? I Googled and it told me how to make distilled water. So now I want to share with y'all what I just learned. Let's go in the kitchen. All right, soil fam. So first I want to show you what all I was using. I have a pot, it's deep, a bowl to catch my water, and I know this bowl will float, which is important. I have an oversized top, which I'll show you how to do that, and I got a bowl of ice. So we're gonna head over to the stove. Instead of running to the stove, we're gonna make our own distilled water. So let's head over to the stove, y'all. Alright, so we got our pot of water, and you can see I got it filled to about here, maybe a quarter of a way full. I got my pot, my bowl, which I'm going to set in here. It's gonna float. That's what you want it to do. You want it to float. So as you can see, my bowl is floating. My oversized top, I'm not putting it the right way. I'm putting it upside down over this. I got my heat turned up on high. And what it'll do is it'll create the steam. See how now it's, I don't know if you can see that, but my bowl, my top is starting to steam up. Trying to make it so you can see. So placing the ice on top of here will make it create more moisture on the inside, or that condensation, you know, and it'll drip in your bowl. This is the lazy way distilled water. I don't feel like going to the store. So I'm gonna put my ice on the top. So once that thing get nice and warm and start boiling, it'll help it create more moisture on the inside, which our bowl will catch. So let's watch it. Let's watch it for a few minutes and see how this thing work out. All right, I'm gonna take this top off here. So you see the water inside this bowl? That is your distilled water. So according to how much you may need, that's how big of a bowl you have and how long you'll let this boil, or you will let it go for however much water you need, or run to the store and get some distilled water. But to me, I only needed about a cup of water. It definitely isn't worth me running to the store for a cup of distilled water right now. So I just make my own, you know, simple, easy way. You don't have to purchase anything to be able to make distilled water if you need a little amount of it. Now, if you need gallons and gallons of it, yeah, you may want to take a trip to the store. However, this is simple. At the comforts of your own home, distilled water. I have enough down here to do what I need to do in my bowl. Simple. So, there you have it, y'all. I just wanted to share this little quick tip on making distilled water right at home with things you already have. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified each and every time we release new videos. Until the next time, y'all.